Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will talk about the inspiration to create more wooden crafts projects and show you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The inspiration to create more wooden crafts projects often stems from a confluence of factors, including a deep connection to nature, a desire for creativity, the satisfaction of craftsmanship, and a growing awareness of sustainability. These elements resonate profoundly with individuals, encouraging them to explore the world of woodworking and the myriad possibilities that come with it. This exploration delves into the motivations behind the surge in interest in wooden crafts, examining how personal experiences, cultural influences, and contemporary trends contribute to this creative renaissance. At the heart of the inspiration to create wooden crafts is a fundamental connection to nature. Wood, as a material, carries with it the essence of the natural world. Its organic textures, grains, and colors evoke feelings of warmth and familiarity, reminding us of the outdoors. This intrinsic relationship with nature often fuels a desire to bring a piece of that beauty into our homes. Many find solace in the tactile experience of working with wood, as it allows for a tangible connection to the environment. The act of crafting with wood can be meditative, offering a respite from the fast-paced, technology-driven world we inhabit. As individuals engage with the material, they often feel a sense of grounding, reinforcing their bond with nature and inspiring further exploration in woodworking. Creativity is another powerful motivator that drives individuals to embark on wooden crafts projects. The versatility of wood allows for endless possibilities in design and form, enabling artisans and hobbyists to express their unique visions. Whether through sculptural pieces, functional furniture, or decorative items, woodworking offers a canvas for imagination to flourish. Many enthusiasts are inspired by the challenge of transforming raw materials into something beautiful and functional. This process of creation not only fosters artistic expression but also provides a sense of accomplishment. The satisfaction derived from crafting a piece from start to finish can be incredibly motivating, encouraging individuals to take on new projects and hone their skills. The satisfaction of craftsmanship plays a significant role in inspiring wooden crafts. In an age dominated by mass production, there is a growing appreciation for handmade items that reflect individuality and personal effort. The craftsmanship involved in creating wooden projects often instills a sense of pride and fulfillment. Each piece tells a story, bearing the marks of the artisan's labor and creativity. This connection to the craft can be especially appealing for those who seek to escape the impersonality of consumer culture. The opportunity to create something with one's own hands fosters a deeper connection to the finished product, making each item not just a functional object but a cherished piece of art. This pride in craftsmanship often motivates individuals to create more wooden projects, as they strive to expand their skills and explore new techniques. The influence of community and culture also plays a crucial role in inspiring wooden crafts projects. Many people find motivation in sharing their passions with others, whether through workshops, classes, or online forums. The woodworking community is often characterized by a spirit of camaraderie, where individuals encourage and inspire one another to experiment with new ideas and techniques. This collaborative environment fosters a sense of belonging and support, motivating individuals to push their creative boundaries. The sharing of knowledge and experiences within these communities often ignites a spark of inspiration, leading to a proliferation of new projects and ideas. Cultural heritage and traditions can also inspire individuals to engage in woodworking. Many cultures have rich histories of craftsmanship, where woodworking plays a vital role in their artistic expression and practical needs. For instance, traditional woodworking techniques passed down through generations can motivate individuals to explore their roots and recreate time-honored designs. This connection to cultural heritage can evoke a sense of pride and identity, encouraging artisans to contribute to the preservation of these craft traditions. By integrating traditional techniques with contemporary design, makers can create unique pieces that honor their heritage while also appealing to modern sensibilities. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us to grow our channel and give you more content in return. Contemporary trends in design and home decor also significantly influence the motivation to create wooden crafts. As minimalism and sustainability gain traction in modern aesthetics, wooden crafts align perfectly with these values. The natural beauty and warmth of wood resonate with individuals seeking to create inviting, eco-friendly spaces. Many are inspired by the idea of incorporating handmade wooden elements into their homes, which can add character and warmth to any environment. This trend encourages individuals to explore woodworking as a means of personalizing their living spaces while embracing sustainable practices. The desire to create functional yet beautiful items that enhance one's home is a powerful motivator for many aspiring woodworkers. Sustainability is a key factor driving the interest in wooden crafts, especially as awareness of environmental issues grows. Many individuals are inspired to create wooden projects as a means of reducing their reliance on mass-produced plastic items that contribute to environmental degradation. Wood, being a renewable resource, offers a more sustainable alternative when sourced responsibly. The opportunity to repurpose reclaimed wood or utilize sustainably harvested materials further enhances the appeal of woodworking. By engaging in wooden crafts, individuals can take an active role in promoting sustainability and reducing waste, which adds a meaningful dimension to their creative pursuits. The process of learning and experimentation in woodworking also encourages individuals to create more projects. The initial stages of working with wood often involve trial and error, leading to a journey of discovery that can be both challenging and rewarding. Many find inspiration in overcoming obstacles and refining their techniques, which fuels their passion for the craft. Each new project presents an opportunity to learn and grow, whether through mastering joinery, exploring finishing techniques, or experimenting with design. This continuous learning process keeps the creative spirit alive, motivating individuals to pursue more wooden crafts and expand their skill sets. The inspiration to create more wooden crafts projects is deeply intertwined with a variety of factors, including our connection to nature, the desire for creative expression, the satisfaction of craftsmanship, and the growing importance of sustainability. These motivations are amplified by cultural influences, community support, and contemporary design trends, all of which encourage individuals to explore the world of woodworking. The journey of creating with wood is not just about producing functional items, it is a path of personal discovery, emotional connection, and artistic expression. As more individuals turn to wooden crafts, they contribute to a vibrant community that celebrates the beauty and versatility of this timeless material, enriching their lives and the spaces they inhabit. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.